So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit text on TikTok videos. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your TikTok app. From here you will just need to either go to your own videos through your profile and then edit the videos and text as well, or just go to add a new video and edit text through there. So on here, if I just wanted to create a video, and I'll just show you through this example, I'm just gonna add some text. So let's type it out, some text, and I can click on done. Now through here, if I want to edit the text itself, I can just go ahead and move it about. That's one form of editing the text. Or I can just click it again, and you can see some options on here like text to speech, set duration, and edit. So let's click the edit button, and it's going to take me back to the part of the text where I started, so I can see some of the fonts through here. So you can see I can use some other font, I can use a different color, I can bold the text with some ways so it can be maybe more recognizable. I can also do something like this where it's centered. So you can really do a lot of setup through there. As I said, you can change the color. You can also do other different coloring types. And once you're satisfied with your text, you can just click on done, and then you can save that video. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TikTok or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.